Hmm. What were some of the challenges and lessons you learned about making the course, the production, the craft?
Some of it was just, the technical piece, the websites, the platforms that are available, cameras, lighting, getting, microphones and all that stuff. It was one of those things that seemed intimidating. And, after working with you in your firm to go through the steps and just getting used to it, it actually made things a lot easier, a lot better. So that was probably the biggest thing, because once I saw myself on camera, once I heard myself, and this was even before getting to content, was very self-conscious, very self-aware, and it was like take after take after take to shoot like a 30-second spot, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I've learned to put my cell phone in another room so it doesn't vibrate when I'm trying to record something. So little things like that. But then with, breaking down the course in segments, keeping the videos at the right lengths, because I think, with most of us that are passionate about what we do for a living and what we want to give to the community, we can ramble on a little bit. I certainly can.
Yeah.
So kind of putting together the storyboard, and going through the modules and the lessons plans in the module, just having that framework all together to basically fill in the gaps and then just micro shoot one at a time. It took a while. I did it from this location. I did it from my office. I did it from one of my houses. So
Yeah.
one of those things where it's like I have mobile equipment ready to go. I've got the camera, the tripod. I got lights up at the places. I was like, the investment in the equipment was, in this grand scheme of things was small enough to have it in two locations just so I can get it done. Because otherwise, Robert, you know this too, my program did take a little bit longer because my own personal delays in actually getting everything done. Once I got over that hump, we knocked it out.
Yeah. We worked hard to get your on-camera background and stuff figured out. We even, we walked around your office and did a visual audit on some good backgrounds. And you stand out in my portfolio of clients and people that we've helped with the on-camera stuff. You stand out as like a big success story for me. Like I'm sort of proud as your teacher a little bit about how we started
Yeah.
and what we ended up with, like what you're standing in right now. Not bad. It's got nice framing, we've got depth, we've got some color, it's and then some of these other rooms that you use in your course, which just was nicely done. So that's a sort of a roundabout way of complimenting you on your hard work and getting this done. And
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Couldn't have done it without you guys. So you guys were amazing.
Well, it's a pleasure working with you.